शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। वन्दे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं। नन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So those who direct listen English, come forward or go back. Someone can translate.
Aqueles que sabem
Otherwise,
inglês, venham para
time is
frente.
very
Os que não
short.
conseguem entender inglês, para trás. Aí alguém lá atrás vai traduzir simultaneamente.
I don't want to listen, just sit, no problem.
Aqueles que nem quiserem ouvir, podem só sentar e tudo bem.
Just open your eyes, this is enough.
Só abrir os olhos e isso é suficiente.
So, today is very super excellent auspicious. What did he? Adi Bandhana? No. Okay. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And also simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Sila Guru Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Rakas Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Sila Bhakti Vedanta Sila Madhusudan Goswami Maharaj, and all Guru Vargas and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. All you know, today is very super excellent, auspicious day. That is called Guru Purnima. And also Mahaprabhu's very nearest and dearest person among of the Sargoswamis, Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, who departed from this material world. So he is also his Tirobhav Tithi, very super excellent auspicious day. So just I want to speak few words about Sanatana Goswami Pad life history and his contribution, and also Vasudev Goswami's life history and his contribution. And before I tell to you, all sampradayas, they also worship Vyasadeva. Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. What is his name? Krishna Dvaipayan. Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. Why his name is called Krishna, Dvaipayan and Veda Vyasa. Krishna, he is non-different from Krishna. And Narayanam namaskritam naranchava narottamam deving saraswatim vyasam tato jaya mudirayate. Narayanam narottamam sang Narayan Bhagavan. He appeared in the form of Krishna Dvaipana Veda Vyasa. So, Narayanam namaskritam narancheva narottamam. So, Vasudev Goswami, he is actually non-different from Krishna. And Krishna's many incarnations, and one incarnation that is called Jnana Avish Avatar, Jnanavish Avatar. And Saktavish Avatar, Jnanavish Avatar, or another Bhaktavish Avatar, different avatar. So Krishna Dvaipana Veda Vyasa, and he is called Krishna. Also his name is blackish for his name, also the Krishna. Dvaipa means island, and he appeared in island. So Krishna Dvaipana Veda Vyasa. Veda means four Veda, Rik, Sam, Jaju, Atharva. And he manifested four Vedas. Vyasa means Vyasa Vistararte iti Vyasa. And he manifested all Ved, Puran, Upanishad. For this regard, his name is called Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyasa. So already I told all Sampradayas, they also worship Krishna Dvaipana Veda Vyasa. But what is the speciality of Gaudiya Vaishnava in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And manifested Vyasa Puja. And every day we also doing Vyasa Puja. Vyasa Puja, one name is called also Guru Puja. And Vyasa Vistararte iti Vyasa. One who spread Krishna Katha, that is called also Vyasa. Vyasa Vistararte. Or Guru Padma also is called Vyasa because he spread the Hari Katha and all over the world. For this regard, Guru also is called Vyasa. Guru Puja, every day we are doing Guru Puja. And every disciple have to worship Guru. That is called Guru Puja. And without Guru Puja, any method, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in our heart. And if Guru and Krishna staying together, what will do? You first worship to whose lotus feet? Guru Puja, Guru Pada. Pathamantu Guru Pujyam Tataschaiva Mama Archanam. So first you worship Guru, then worship to Guru Parampara, then even to Krishna. So every day we are singing this. Krishna Hite Saturmukh, Han Krishna Sevanmukh, Brahma Hite Naraderamati, Narada Hoite Vyas, Madhya Kahene Vyasadas, Purna Pragga, Padma Nabhavati. Nirhari Madhav Angse, Akshava Param Angse, Shishya Boli, Angikara Kare. Akshavera Shishya Jaya, Tirthana Me Paricha. तार दासे ज्ञान सिंधुतर ताहा हईते दया निधि विद्या निधि राजेंद्र हईल ताहा हई ताहार किंकर जय तीर्थ नामे परिचय परंपरा ज्ञान भालम. So now coming this way, Guru Parampara is explained this way. Because Bhakti Devi is coming from in our Guru Parampara. This is the process also. So now coming in this way, what is the speciality of Gaudiya Sampradaya, those who are coming in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and worship Krishna Dvaipana Veda Vyasa. Especially this Vyasa Puja manifested by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every sampradaya, they also worship Vasudev. Eh? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he noticed. Eh? Advaitavadi sampradayas, their Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja is not perfect. Why? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he explained, they worshipped Guru. Eh? You understand? They worship Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas. Because every sampradayas, they accept Vedas. Or who manifested Vedas? Vasudev Goswami. So for this regard, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything manifested by Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas. Even impartialist, Mayavadis, they also worshipped Vasudev, Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas. But Mahaprabhu manifested, their Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja is not complete, not perfect. Why? Because they accept Guru, worship Guru Puja, but they don't follow the instruction of Guru. Huh? So their Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja is not perfect. Their Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja is called Ardha Kukkuti Nai Vichar. Ardha Kukkuti, understand? Ardha Kukkuti, Kukkuti means chicken. Half chicken philosophy. What did you say? Half chicken philosophy. Huh? Understand? So one chicken, two brothers. So how they divide to each others? Then two brothers decide, you take front, I will take back. But who is taking the front, he is feeding to the chicken. And who is backside, he is taking the eggs. So this means is what? Not perfect this. So that means Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained this way. Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja means this way. You have to follow the instruction of Guru. Bole Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, they did not follow the instruction of Guru. Bole no. The instruction of Guru, half instruction, half not. Why? Because impartialists, they don't follow all the instruction of Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas. Vyas Sutre kori ache parinam bad. Ar Vyas Bhranta boli uthailo vivad. Chaitanya Charitamrita. You understand or not? Vyas, Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas, he wrote Vedanta Sutra and Upanishad. And he explained also Parinambad. Parinambad, understand? The doctrine of transformation. Parinambad. If Advaitavadi, Mayavadi accept the doctrine of Parinambad, they can't establish their own philosophy. Why? What is the philosophy? First understand, Advaitavadi, Mayavadi philosophy is what? Brahma Satta, Jagat Mitha. Ek aur Brahma Dityo Nasti. Brahma Satta, Jagat Mitha. Jiva Brahmaipa Naparaha. Ek Brahma. Brahma is one, without second. Ek aur Brahma Dityo Nasti. Jiva Brahmaipa Naparaha. Jivas, there is no conception of Jiva. There are no Jivas. When Brahma covered with Maya, that time he is giving his identification, I am Jiva. This is the Advaitavad, Mayavad philosophy. Brahmavad. There are many with them. Brahmavad, Mayavad, the Advaitavad, they are saying this. So, Eka Brahma, द्वितीय नास्ति, अजीव ब्रह्म न परः, ब्रह्म सत्य, only one absolutely truth, that is called Brahma. A jagat mitha, jagat means whatever you are looking this material, everything is completely what? False. This is the philosophy. But now coming in this way, Vyasadeva in his philosophy very clearly explained, and is Vyasadeva in his Vedanta Sutra explained in this way, Parinambad. Parinambad means the doctrine of transformation. And if they accept the doctrine of transformation, then Brahma is called Vikari. Vikari answer? Change. Transfer. This thing. Vikar. So for this regard, though they don't accept the Parinambad. So saying in this Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami actually explained this. And Vyas Bhranta boli, a Vyas Sutra koriyache Parinambad. Or Vyas Bhranta boli uthailo vivad. They are saying, oh Vyasadeva is completely elucidated. Bhranta. For this regard, he wrote which doctrine? Parinambad. The doctrine of transformation, Parinambad coming. You understand this? So that means they accept Guru, but they don't accept instruction of Guru. Are Vyasa Narayana Swayam. So how possible he has faults? Ishwar Vakya nahi char dosh. Who is Bhagavan? He has no 4 faults. Brahm, Pramad, Vipralipsa and Karanapata. Ishwar Vakya kabhu nahi dosh. Who is Bhagavan? He has no 4 faults. Brahm means illusion. Pramad, completely intoxicated to enjoy the sense gratification. Brahm Pramad. Vipralipsa, cheating propensity. Or Karnapata, all his senses not proper way to working. But Bhagavan, all his senses are eternal and transcendental. Lord will never perform any faults. What he is saying? This is the absolutely truth. That means Vyasadeva, what did he write? That is absolutely truth. Or second, Pramad, Vyasadeva is not conditioned soul. Vyasadeva is direct incarnation of Lord. So how possible he will enjoy the sense gratification? Vipralipsa, cheating propensity. Vyasadeva has no any kinds of cheating propensity. Karnapata, all his senses transcendental. Jiva's 4 faults. Brahm, Pramad, Vipralipsa, Karnapata. But who is Bhagavan? He has no any faults. But Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, they are saying, oh, Vyasadeva has written this Parinambad, the doctrine of transformation. That is his what? That is his faults. They are saying. So how possible their Vyasa Puja is perfect? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in his what is called Anubhasya commentary, he explained this. And Mahaprabhu also established Vyasadeva has no faults. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Prakashananda, Saraswati, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, all the big Mayavadis, Mahaprabhu also discussed this philosophy. So why? And We establish Lord is one, God is one. Because Lord God is one, but He has innumerable potency, Shakti. He has innumerable. Ekameva Paramatattvam Sahavike Achinta Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhano Rupena Surja Mandala Tad Rosmit Pratichadi Rupena Chaturdha Avatishtate. He is one, but He has spontaneous and inconceivable potency. Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan, He has one potency, His name called Achinta Shakti, inconceivable potency. In His inconceivable potency, He manifested the many His incarnation, many His Vaibhav, and many His Shakti. He is one, this is true. So just Mahaprabhu given them to say, if you accept His inconceivable potency and Achinta Shakti, and how will establish Lord He is one, and He has innumerable potency, Achinta. Then Mahaprabhu explained, even in this material world, many things you can see, the inconceivable potency is there, Achinta Shakti. So Mahaprabhu gave 3 examples. Money, mantra and ausadhi. Money means one kind of jewels. That is called sparsha money, touchstone. Touchstone touch the iron, then iron transferred in gold. But touchstone will never transfer in gold. You understand? In the same way, Lord Bhagavan, in His inconceivable potency, He creates the innumerable and Jagat world. Chit Jagat, Jeev Jagat and Maya Jagat. But He is not Vikar. Vikar, understand? Non-transformed. Just Vikar means that way, Datha, Dodhi, Dugdhameva. As like milk transfer in Jogat. But Jogat cannot transfer in milk again. You understand? In the same way, Lord, He is one. But He is abhikari. And He manifested many universe, many things, these things. Money, mantra. Mahaprabhu gave second example, mantra. Mantra, say. And if you chant mantra, then many kinds of miracle coming. You chanting Gopal mantra, and mantra will give many kinds of things also. Ausadhi, ausadhi means herbs. The herbs also give these many things also. Miracle is giving. So Mahaprabhu explained this way, even these material things also giving many kinds of miracle. Transformation giving. Why Ishwari? Why not Lord? So, but impartialists, they don't believe. And this philosophy. Which philosophy? The doctrine of transformation. But the doctrine of transformation, Parinambad, 2 types. One is called Vastu Parinambad, another is called Shakti Parinambad. Most of the all acharyas, they accept Vastu Parinambad. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established Shakti Parinambad and Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva Siddhanta. Vastu Parinambad means existence, substance. And that substance also creates many things also. Then That is called Vastu Parinambad. Give an example. Jatha Ahi Reva Meva. Ahi means two meanings of Ahi. Ahi means gold. Or Ahi means snake. Give you two examples. Vastu Parinambad. You can take one piece of gold. One piece of gold. And with the piece of gold you can make many jewelry, earring, and necklace, golden many kinds of jewelry. Then that time you are giving different name. But inside is what things? Only gold. Not other things there. Or same that jewelry, earrings, necklace, anything so. Then you can also melt and also again you become the piece of gold. So all the jewelries, everything actually manifested from here. Gold, piece of gold. Substance, different and different name are giving. So in this way, Bhakti, what is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this Vastu Parinambad. Or another is called Ahi Reva Mahimeva. Another Ahi means snake. Ahi Reva Jatha Sarpa Chakravat. As like snake, and when he enter in the hole and making the, what is called? Coil. Coil, understand? They are making this. So in the same way, Lord is one. But that time is a different name you are giving. So different name he is giving. A Shakti Parinambad, Lord has innumerable potency, Shakti. And that Shakti is different transformation coming. Just like I told Chit Shakti, Lord, He has transcendental potency. He creates the transcendental world. Chit Shakti, Chit Jagat, Vaikuntha. Ajodha, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok, Vrindavan, everything. That is called Chit Jagat. Or in his material energy, Jada Shakti, he manifests material world, what we are looking. Or another is his potency, that is called Jiva Shakti. He creates all the living entities. But he is one. But he creates this way. But Advaitavadi, especially Mayavadi, they don't believe this thing. They are saying Brahma Satta. Only Brahma is absolutely truth. This part is perfect. Brahma Satta. This is true. A Jagat Mithya. They are saying the material world completely false. Vaishnava philosophy is saying this is not material world, is not false. That is called Tatkalik Satta. Tatkalik means temporary. The truthfulness. Your mother, how possible my mother is false? You took birth from him, womb of mother. You cannot deny my mother false. Mithya. This house is here. This is false or truth? Truth. But that truthfulness is temporary. After 2 years, after 5 years, after 100 years, then you cannot see here is any house. Understand? 5 years before when you came here? That is what? Completely what? Roof. Roof or not? We have seen. Roof. And now this temple. Good or not? Nice temple, everything is very nice. And different way. Or maybe after, I don't know how many years. Maybe not will be here. No temple, nobody is here. Even that building will be here or no? Just backside of the temple also there. There the house also. Destroyed or not? They also built a new. Because in this material, everything is what? Temporary. You cannot say false. Vaishnava philosophy is saying this way, that is called temporary. Truth. Tatkalik sattva. Tatkal means this, in this present. In this present, we are saying truth. So, Brahma, another, Mani Mantra, Ausadhadi. But now I am saying about Sakti Parinam Bhat. This is very important. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again established Achinta Bheda Tattva Siddhanta. Achinta, meaning which things are beyond our material conception, that is Achinta. Achinta kholu je bhava tangs torkeno no jojjet prakriti paribha achintasya tat lakshanam. What is meaning the Achinta? Beyond of our conception. So, which thing are beyond of our conception? Which are? Why we discuss these things? You understand? Why? So, for this regard here, the Achinta kholu je bhava tangs torkeno no jojjet. Achinta vastu, those which are inconceivable things. You cannot establish your any material conception. So, how to establish Achinta Tattva? In our Veda Guru Parampara. What our Guru Varga is saying, what Krishna is saying, that is perfect, absolutely truth. Amnaya praha tattang harima paramam sarvasaktim rasabdim tadvinnang jiva tadvinnang se jiva prakriti kavalitan tadvimtangscha bhavat Veda Veda Prakasang Sakalam Ubi Hari Sadhanam Suddha Bhakti Saddhang Tatpriti Eve Bodhisati Janano Gaura Chandra Sayangsa. 10 Tattva, 10 principles Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established. That is Sanskrit word, that is called Dasamul Tattva. Very good. Established this way. Vaishnava philosophy is very minute. So for this regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this way. Ye achinta bhedabhed tattva siddhanta. Bhed and abhed. Difference and non-difference. What is the difference? Lord and Jivas. What is the difference? Lord is one. Jivas universal. Lord is beyond of Maya. Prakriti pare. Lord never illustrated by Maya. Maya is manifested from Lord. Maya Sakti. Chit Sakti, Jip Sakti and Maya Sakti. Sakti. Brahma and Brahma Sakti. That is. But impartialists, they don't accept Brahma's Sakti. If they accept Brahma's potency Sakti, they cannot establish their philosophy. Always they stubborn is their own philosophy. What is that? What is the philosophy of Brahma? Mayavadi. Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti. Only one Brahma, without second. Shankarachary's mother told, when he was very small, Shankaracharya, his mother told, hey, some guest has come, bring some eggplants. Begun, brinjal. He went in the garden, he brought only one Eh? Eggplant. Then his mother told him, why did you bring one? Well, one, only one there. Hey, come. Then count. 1. He's saying 1, 2, 1. 3, 1. Understand? Anyway, after 1, that one is here. 2. After 2, then 3. But Shankaracharya, small baby is saying, Shankaracharya, like this is the big 1. Then this is 1. 1. After 1, what is that? 2. But only 1 eggplant. And then his mother slapped. After 1. Because in its early age, Shankaracharya established this way. Eko Brahma, only 1. Eko Brahma, Ditya Nasti. Only 1 Brahma, without second. Why I am saying, if Advaitavadi, here is Mayavadi, they accept Brahma Shakti, they cannot establish their own philosophy. They are saying Brahma is one. For this regard, they are giving many examples. We are looking many things here. Understand? So why we are saying 1? How many people are here? Many. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also many difference also. Male, female, gents, ladies. Different also. Difference or not? But Shankaracharya is saying no. Only 1. Lord is 1. This is true. Brahma is truth. Eka Brahma, this is true. But he has innumerable potency, Shakti. But impartially they don't believe that the Shakti. But Vyasdev is written in the Shastra. Shakti Parinam Bad. Gita, Bhagavad, Puran, everywhere explain. Brahma, Brahma Shakti. What is the original meaning of Brahma? Brahma Sabde Mukha Arte Kahe Bhagavan. The origin meaning of Brahma, that is called Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? How do you know he is Bhagavan? Who has 6 opulence. Oisarjasa, Samagrasya, Virja, Jasa, Sri, Gyana, Vairagyaschaiva, Sanna, Bhaga, Itingana. Oisarja, who has vast opulence, Oisarja. Virja, he is very powerful. He controls everyone. Oisarja, Virja. Jasa, name, fame, reputation, everything. Jasa, Sri. Sri means beauty. Bhagavan's beauty is what? Unique and unparalleled. Kastrangate kalapadamrita venu gitam. And Krishna's beauty, unique and unparalleled. Even all his incarnation, what will say to others? All his incarnation and all the attractive with the beauty of Krishna. So Kap, how is it called? No, this is Srimad Bhagavatam. And so just now coming in this way. Oisharja Vijay Jasa Sri Gyan. Gyan means vast of knowledge. Gyan. Bhagavan. Sarva Bhasavid. He knows the language of all the living entities. We don't know the language of the small ants. Do you know? They are speaking each other's. One and coming this side, another coming this side, and they are speaking to each other's. Then they return back going this. You notice or not? If you notice, today you return back to home and put some sugar. Even some the ants are coming. They are speaking to each other. And big also are, long queue. Some going this way, some coming this way. And speaking to each other. Again return back, again going like this. But we don't know the language of the small ants. Do you know Hindi? Do you know Bengali? Udiya? Telugu? Kannadi? Nothing. Malayalam? Nothing. You know only Portuguese. Fala Portuguese. Also Portuguese, different also. Accent. In countryside, their accents are different. Here you are living in city, town, also the accent difference. Sometimes you understand, sometimes maybe not understand. But Lord Bhagavan, why I am saying who is Bhagavan? He is called Sarva Bhasavid. He knows the language, all the living entities. Millions living entities, prani. He knows the language of all the living entities. If he knows the language of the trees they are speaking to each other. As like, dumb people, no? They are not speaking. They also speaking to each other. They know their language. You can. So now comes the Bhagavan. Gyan, vast of knowledge. Vaishya Bija Jasa Sri, Gyan, Vairagya, he completely detached from this. Six apulya. But who is Bhagavan? His principal qualification, that is called, which one? Fala. Hari Sri, Jagadharma. Sri Sundarja. Vaishya Virja Jasa Sri, Gyan and Vairagya. So Sri, Sri means his beauty unique and unparalleled. Jasa Sri. Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? Ete Changsa Kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. Vasudev is written or not? This is the coming from Srimad Bhagavatam. But Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, they don't believe this. He is Bhagavan. Ete Changsa Kalapungsa Krishnastu. What is written there? Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan, written is there. So why the Advaitavadi is not follow? Except this. So what is the meaning of Guru Puja or Vyasa Puja? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he explained this. So now coming this today, so for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established Vyasa Puja or Guru Puja. Perfect way. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, told to Nityananda, Sono Sripad Kadi Kali Habe Vyasara Pujan. Mahaprabhu told his Sripad. Sripad means Nityananda Prabhu. Mahaprabhu always, he called to Nityananda Prabhu Sripad. Sono Sripad Kali Habe Vyasara Pujan. Tomorrow we will worship Vyasa Puja. But where we will do Vyasa Puja? Whose house? Nityananda Prabhu. He is also called Akhanda Guru Tattva. Nityananda Prabhu, he hold the hand of Srivas Thakur. Very nice, beautiful this katha is there. Then Mahaprabhu told Prabhu, tomorrow we will worship, nice celebration of Vyasa Puja in the house of Srivas Thakur. Then Mahaprabhu laughed and joked. Mahaprabhu so much laugh and affection. You were laughing and joking with whom? Who has love and affection? Sometimes you laugh and affection with your laughing and joking with your wife also. So that means you laughing and joking to wife, that means you not criticize or neglect. This is not true. That is called one kind of prem. You understand? But mundane people, they don't understand. Huh? So when Srivas Nityananda Prabhu told, Prabhu, and tomorrow will be Vyasa Puja, whose house? Srivas Thakur, Srivas Acharya. Then Mahaprabhu laughed and joked. Mahaprabhu, Srivas is poor Brahmana. In his house, no mouse. In his house, no mouse, no mice. Okay. So how possible his house will do Vyasa Puja? Understand? In your house, mouse or not? No mouse. If your house many kinds of grains, food, then mouse coming. Are in your house completely air conditioned? Air conditioned is it? No door, no window, no any grains, so mouse is not coming. That's why saying this. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Srivas is very poor Brahmana. How possible to perform Vyasa Puja in house? If you do Vyasa Puja, many people will come. And need is what? Garland, flowers, money, need or not? Without money, you cannot collect the market. Need money. But Srivas Thakur completely are penniless. Many people will come, also prepare many kinds of delicious Mahaprasadana. Not only just khichdi. You prepare many kinds of preparation. Many Vaishnava will come. Bhukhe bhajan na hai Gopala. You understand or not? Bhukhe bhajan na hai Gopala. If you are hungry, you cannot chant holy names. Le le tur kanti mala. Bhukhe bhajan na hai Gopala. Le le tur kanti mala. And you are hungry, and you chant holy names, chant holy names. Then I am hungry. You are hungry or not? Then you are angry. And hungry and angry. Then you say, Maharaj, take Kanti Mala, I am going to my house. Again will not come. A very nice, beautiful prasadam. Understand? Delicious prasad. Then many people will come. And prasad very important. Hari Katha, secondary. This is true or wrong? At the time of prasad, how many people will come? Everyone. Completely, hall completely what? Full. And Hari Katha, maybe 10, 15, 20. Not more than 100. Or Hari Katha, 500, 5,000. You saw our temple, India, you know. So need is what? Prasadam. So Mahaprabhu told how possible Srivas, he arranged Vyasa Puja in his house. Then Srivas Thakur, he hold the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhu, you are where there is Lakshmi, everything is there. Because you are called Narayan. Where is Narayan? Automatically there Lakshmi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what is his name? Gaura Narayan. Everybody called him Gaur Narayan. So where is Narayan? There is Lakshmi Devi automatically there. All wealth, money automatically come. Just to Prabhu, Srivas Thakur very humble, he told Prabhu, just to give me permission. Then Mahaprabhu, very humble, okay, you do this. Then next morning, and all Vaishnavas came in the house of Srivas Thakur. Understand? No one knows. Here is coming many kinds of vegetables, many kinds of flowers, and actually all the demigod is manifested in the form of human being. They brought lot of bhogas. Flowers and these things, very nicely decorated everything. Vyasa Puja is going. Mahaprabhu seated. And also Vyasadev, Vyasaghatak, Vyasa Panchak. Maybe evening we will discuss about Vyasa Panchak Katha. Then everything prepared, everything nice. And Harikatha is going on. Harikatha is the main thing. But nowadays is what? Harikatha is secondary. And other Katha is what? Primary. So now we come to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This nice beautiful Harikatha. Where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sang Satyanandana Gaur Hari. After Harikatha, then time is over. Now time is over now, 2 o'clock. So time is over or not? So nice, beautiful this. Then Mahaprabhu is saying, okay, so I have to offer our flowers, garland to Vyasadev, Vyasa Puja. So who will first offer the garlands to Vyasadev? Who will do? Nityananda Prabhu. Because Nityananda Prabhu, he is the disciple of Lakshmipati Tirtha. Understand? Some also explain he is called the disciple of Madhavendra Puri. Anyhow. Some also this what is called? Conflict. People are saying, some are saying, but anyhow. So, first who will do puja? Nityananda Prabhu. So Mahaprabhu gave the garland in the hand of Nityananda. Nityananda, he is holding the garland 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, but he is not offering garland to Vyasadeva. Then Mahaprabhu told, hey Nitai, time is over. Look, behind many people, they also to offer their Puspanjali to. What are you doing this? You offer. Then Nityananda Prabhu use this word, hoy. Yes, I am giving. Again Mahaprabhu told, Are Nityananda, time is over. 2 o'clock now. Many people on the queue. They will offer this thing. Then finally Nityananda with that garland, he offered to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sajanandana Gaur Hari Ki. Why? Why Nityananda Prabhu offered this garland to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, not Vyasdev? Because Nityananda Prabhu established Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his origin Vyas. Krishnang Bande Jagad Guru. What did he say? Krishnang Bande Jagad Guru. Who is Jagad Guru? Krishna. And now, in front of us, who is Jagat Guru? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Understand? In this way, Nityananda Prabhu established. First we worship to whom? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishnang Bande Jagat Guru. So in this way, very nice. Vyasa Puja is going on this way. Then what happened? Then evening we will discuss the perfect life history of Krishna Dvaipayan, Veda Vyas, and understanding. And his father's name? What is his father's name? Parasar Rishi. Very nice katha is there. Gaur Premanandi Hari. Bolo Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyas ki. And also even in discuss the life history of Sanatana Goswami Pad. Few days and we also discussed about Sanatana Goswami's life history and his contribution. Because today is very super auspicious day. And today is called Muriya Purnima. Muriya means save. Sanatana Goswami Pad today he departed from this material world. For this regard, Brajavasis, they have so much love and affection with Sanatana Goswami Pad. Because all Brajavasi called him Badi Baba. And that Braj language, Sadhu called Baba. And Bengal, that is called Samiji. If you go Bengal, and they are not saying Babaji. What they are saying? Samiji. Or if you go Braj, if they say any sannyasi or any, they are saying that is called Baba, Babaji. So everybody called him Sanatana Goswami. He is called Badi Baba. He has so much love and affection with the Brajavasis. Sanatana Goswami Pad. He made relationship with the Brajavasi and as like their family member. So when Sanatana Goswami Pad departed, then all Brajavasis, they also shaved head. And they did Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. Still 500 years, more than 500 years before Sanatana Goswami Pad departed. Still this tradition is going on also. Every day people also doing Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. But this Purnima, Shravan Purnima this is called. Very super excellent, auspicious. Millions people, you cannot believe. If you not go Vrindavan, if you not go Giriraj Govardhan, you cannot see how many people they also circumambulate Giriraj Govardhan. Why? All the remembrance Sanatana Goswami Pad. In Braj, every Brajavasis, they remember to Sanatana Goswami Pad and they also shaved their head. In our Gaudiya Sampradaya also this. And from the today we also Chaturmasra Vrat. Understand this? And we also save 4 months and we follow some rules. Maybe evening also discuss this katha. And how to follow the Chaturmasra Vrat. Remembering Sanatana Goswami Pad, his contribution and his life history and how Mahaprabhu, he was very nearest and dearest. So, evening we discuss this katha. Many speaker can speak 5 minutes. He speak proper only one point. That is enough. One point to speak. That is enough. No need to repeat. Just to write. Which point will speak. No need bandhana too much. Only one bandhana. Bande Gurupada Dandam Bhaktavinda Samannitam Shri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Nandanandana Hang Bande Radhika Charnadam Gopinang Samajuktanam Vrindavanam Manoharam. You do pranam to everybody. Guru Vargas, everybody is there. So then you speak. 5 minutes you speak, 1 point. That is enough. And so I request all to you. Evening, 5 o'clock, and everybody come and glorify Sanatana Goswami, the life history, and also Krishna Dvipan Veda Vyas Katha. Tattva Siddhanta is there. Then Mahaprasadi Govindi Namu Brahmani Vaishnavi Salpapunna Batang Rajan Visasana. Or if you have time, then I will speak few words. I am the last person. Always I am the last person and speak. But in the time of Gurudev, I am the first person. When Gurudev, you ask Mother Mara. And Gurudev saying, okay, so you speak. First bowlers. Bowler, understand? Cricket bowler. Or when I speak, I have nature, not so easy to stop. My nature is there from my beginning. Very difficult to Stop Harikatha. Stop. 2 times, 3 times. Same time now stopping, then take the bada, big, jump, jump. Then stop. Haribo! Because my nature is that. And I am not happy, just speak few words, happy. Speaking more. Take Mahaprasad, more. Okay, so I will not take too much of time. Then Arati and take Mahaprasad. Then again evening, Harikatha 5 o'clock. Do Arati. Pur Premanande.
So now 5:30, Maharaj. Scheduled for 5:30.
5:30, good.
Jai Gurudev ki!
Because many speakers, they can speak not longer. Everybody can speak how many? 5 minutes. Not more than 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. If you have 10 minutes, then take one jumper. Well, your turn finished. Chalo. Next time. Good or not? Everybody speak. This is called your Puspanjali. Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja, Puspanjali. Best Puspanjali what? How Raghunath Das Goswami offered his Puspanjali, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Raghunath Das Goswami offered the Puspanjali, lotus feet of Sanatana Goswami. Both. For the Puspanjali, Raghunath Das Goswami gave.
I know the meaning, but that
For the meaning.
like I was reluctant to give up my like material life, but then
Tang Rupamanjari Padita Pure Osmin. This is the first Guru Vandana. Bilaf Kusmanjali, first look. This is translated. Tang Rupamanjari Padita Pure Osmin. Raghunath Das Goswami completely absorbed in his transcendental constitutional form. Bilaf Kusmanjali, first look. The glorification of Guru Vandana. Offering his Vandana, lotus feet of Rupamanjari. Tang Rupamanjari Padita Pure Osmin. Hey Rupamanjari, I know you are chaste lady. You never see the other person except your husband. But I know, few days, your husband is not in your house. But now I am looking. And your lips, very nice, beautiful, ripen bimba fruits. Bimba fruit is one kind of fruits, very soft, reddish color. So, maybe, and one big parrot, Sukapungabino, maybe one big parrot came and bite your lips, thinking, oh, this is very nice, beautiful bimba fruits. In this way, Balavindavan Vyari. Very nice. This is called highest, topmost Guru Vandana. That is called Siddha Deha Guru Vandana. Balavindavan Vyari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri. Okay. Now, Arati? Where? Pujari. They offered or not?
not yet, Maharaj.
Not yet?
Ready. It will be ready in 15 minutes.
I said, do Arati. Because according to the circumstance, what to do? Now 2:30. Otherwise you speak Hari Katha. Arati karo. Jai Krishna Devan Vedo Vyas ki Jai Sanatana Goswami Pad ki Jai Jai Sri. Oh, we do. चलता हूँ ऊपर. लगी क्या? हाँ,
गुरु परंपरा की जय, व्यास पूज्य की जय, सदाई मायन वेद व्यास की जय, गुरु पूज्य